Hi, thanks for stopping by for real estate market update here in Orange County. I'm sure you have the same question like everyone else been asking me. How is the market? Will prices go down? Should I buy now? Should I sell now? So it's all really good questions based on our current situation, right? We're going through pandemic. We been reopening, closing businesses and economy hurting. So there are lots of uncertainty. But let's check on the data in a minute and see what our data showing for the last year, for the last 5 years, and for the last 3 months that we've been going through all this stuff. So before I go into data, let me mention about three major factors that really important for real estate industry. And those factors are employment, supply, and affordability. So let's talk about employment. Employment in Orange County, right? Unemployment in Orange County for June months was 13.7%. In May, it was 14.7%. So 1% lower from previous months. Looks promising and seems like more people going back to work and we kind of more businesses start working better, right? Now, let's check on the supplies. And to talk about supplies, let's go into this very awesome InfoSpark graph that, let's see, I'll show you. Here we are. Oh, let me minimize myself. I can put myself anywhere I want to. So let's check on this graph. And we have Orange County right here, and it's all property types right now. And this is 5 years, past 5 years. We have since 2015. We go to 2020 right now, June. So as you see right now in June, we have only 6,129 properties that on the market, active listings. And that's all property types. Also, I should say that there are only 1 million homes in Orange County, and there are slightly over 3 million people live in them. And from all that million homes, we have 6,000 for sale right now. Inventory is way down, and it's doesn't look. We'll see how it goes for next month for this July, but this is all for June 2020, and this is all property combined together. If we check, do you see this? Let's talk about this dips. What is this? You see, every year for last 5 years, every December, there are way less inventories for sale in real estate market. So let's check on these dips. So as you can see, every December we have less listings on the market. And that's because it's holiday and not many people want to sell a house and not many buyers want to buy a house because they all celebrating. And summer, that's the hottest market in real estate. And that's when lots of buyers, lots of sellers on the market. And this doesn't mean you shouldn't sell in December. You still can sell in December. We've been selling during holidays as well because there is less competition. If you want to buy a house, there are way less competition. So could be a smart move to buy a house during Christmas time or sell house during Christmas time. So we have 31% down in inventories on the market. It's all property types. Let's check on the single family. So as you can see, single family homes, we have only 3,863 listings in June 2020. And that's not enough, especially, I think I already mentioned that there are only million homes in Orange County. Orange County pretty small, but still for the whole Orange County, 3,800 homes for sale on the market. That's not a lot. And let's check what we had in closed sales. So we have closed sales of 1,399 in June, which is also 19.9% down. So that's our supply. And supply, as you can see, very low. Third factor that very important for real estate industry is affordability. And affordability has its own components, which are household income, interest rates, and house prices. So household income in Orange County is about $80,000 a year. And interest rate for June was between 2.5 and 3.7. And it's all depends on your credit, depends on your FICO score, depends on your history, previous history. So there are a lot of variables, but somewhere between you can get funded. And that's very low. It's been that low since all pandemic started, since everything been going on. So interest rates are being holding low, and that's huge potential for first-time home buyers to or any buyers to buy or refinance. And if you refinance, you want to purchase investment property. That's what a lot of people do as well. So and about household prices, let's check on prices. What is median in here in Orange County? So we have right here our median. It's all property types, right? And it's for last 5 years. This is your prices, median prices in Orange County for all property types that going up, up, up. And you know, for those who waiting that price is going to go down, look, in March, it was median price was 747,000, right? March, that's when everything kind of started, right? And then we're going down slowly, 740. And in May, it seems like we had the lowest, 729,000. We just went up. And now we are at almost 760,000. But remember, it's all together. We have, let's check on single family homes. The last 5 years. And you can see how we climbing slowly up and up and up, right? We had our dip in May, and it was 829,500. And now June median price was 859,000. So almost 860,000 median price for single family homes. We can also look in condominiums. The median price in condominiums are 539,500, which is kind of pretty affordable compared to single family homes, like right, almost half a price. And let's see, only 6.8% up. And let's see townhomes. Our median price for townhomes, 575,000. So now we can actually see the market, how it's going, and you, the one who will decide, will it drop anymore or not? You know, market is based on those three factors: employment, supply, affordability. As you see from our data, that prices are most likely slowly going up, and or they're just going to hold at the point they are. And that's because we are low on supply, high demand, and affordability is pretty high as well for us, since interest rates are very, very low. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something for yourself. And if you have any questions or comments, please comment below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for my next video. I'm doing them weekly. Stay healthy, and I see you next time.